In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in Cpanel. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to create an online brand. So please consider subscribing and like the video. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So stay till the end. So guys, let's begin. So currently I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. As you could see, if you go on wordpress.org, they have the best hosting, Bluehost. And just for you guys, I have a 70% discount. Okay, the link is down below in my description. So all you have to do is click on login. Once you're in your dashboard, all you have to do is, I'm just gonna go into my Cpanel right now. So I just have to click on, so this is how my Cpanel looks. If your Cpanel is looking different, maybe the theme is different, but all you have to do is just scroll down. As you could see, scripts. Okay, or what you could do is just type WordPress. No, you can't find it with that. So all you have to do is scroll down. You could see Softaculous. Okay, so if I type Softaculous, okay, yeah, just click on Softaculous. Once you type that, all you have to do is click on WordPress, and then this is how it is. I'm just gonna click on install now, select my domain. I already have a website called yavarkhan.com, so I'm just gonna do Softa. Okay, just as a short form. You don't have to write this, just put in your site name, your site description. If you want to make it a multi website, you could select this, create your username and password, and just you can select any of the themes. So I'm just gonna select this theme and just install. So it's gonna take a time depending on your internet speed. Usually it will take 3 to 4 minutes. Once this is done, so for me it's really fast. I'm just gonna go over here, and this is my, so if I go over here, this is my website. Okay, and this is my dashboard. So guys, thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing. And as I told you, the free bonus. So guys, I have a free course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's a step-by-step guide how you can make money while creating websites. The link is down below. And if you find this video valuable, please consider subscribing, and I would see you in the next video.